Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. In today's video, I'm going to show you some new additions to my makeup collection. So here's the question. Where do you discover beauty trends and where do you shop trendy products? And this time I found this amazing website called The Beauty Spy. They got a lot of fun and new things on TikTok, and it's just like the trendiest, the most viral beauty products that I really wanted to try. It's more than a regular e-commerce website for beauty products. It's more like a community for beauty lovers to discover fun things together. For me, I like to shop their viral page and their shop on TikTok page. This is where I discover trends, what's popular on TikTok and social media. It's very interesting. By the way, you can use the code Chris15 and the link in the description to access your discount on the Beauty Spy, so don't miss out. Okay, let's come back to the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how I prepare my skin and do this makeup look, create this look step by step using my new makeup and skincare products, and some products are from the Beauty Spy. So without further ado, let's start. So I start with clean bare face, and this is the product that I'm going to use first to prepare the skin. This is the Piedmont White Truffle Serum Intensive Solution Face Serum. So first of all, this is a mist, so I can easily spray the product onto the skin. Before you choose, you need to mix it well like this to mix the oil and the water solutions. So it's got white truffle and it works really deep onto the skin. A lot of ingredients that are so natural and so effective to help the skin to stay hydrated and moisturized all day long. And it's a beautiful preparation for the makeup, and it makes your makeup last longer and make your skin like glowy all day long. And the next step is to prime the skin. This is the bottle that I'm going to use, No Poreblem primer from Touch Insult. This is also a popular product on the Beauty Spy. As you can see, this product is very beautiful. It's very lightweight. From the texture, you can see it's more like a serum, but it helps with the wrinkles, textures, and pores. And after application, after one coat, and the skin looks dewy and glowy, and it's a nice protective layer before makeup. So the skin is ready for color, but before I go into my foundation, I want to show you this amazing lipstick from Heart and Soul. Look at this lipstick. It looks so dark. It's almost like black, but it's not intimidating at all. It's gonna react to the pH level of your lips and give you a unique tint. And I like the texture of the product. It's lighter than my regular lipstick. It's not sticky. It's like a lip balm, but it gives you a nice tint of color. It feels like a lip balm on the lips. It's very moisturizing, but it's giving you a unique color that fits your skin. This is so beautiful, and it's formulated with Rosy, Damascena flower oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and other moisturizing ingredients. That's why it's juicy and it's glossy, hydrated, but the color stays. Now I see why this product is so popular on social media. So for the foundation, I'm gonna just do very minimal with Glow Skin Beauty. This is their HD Minimal Foundation Stick. It's like a creamy texture. It's creamy and buttery, so it makes the skin like very comfortable. I think this shade is like a little bit lighter than I expected because I got tanned these days, but I can fix it with my bronzer later. So let's just apply the foundation first, quickly under my eyes, around my nose, on my forehead, and my smile line. So things like that, I can just quickly blend it with the Beauty Blender. And for the brows, I'm gonna use the Brow Trio. 3 products, you can easily fix your brows. And this is the gel, and this is the applicator. It has this soft, round, like sponge-like head. And they sent me a whole bunch of templates, and I figured out like this one might work the best for me. And you can just easily apply the gel onto your brows with one application because you have the template. Sometimes if you fail, you feel like it's not perfect, after you remove the template, after you apply the gel, you can just fix it with your regular brow pencil, things like that. But overall, it's very easy and it's smudge proof. I like this product. So the bronzer is of course my favorite, the Guerlain brush, and this is the Guerlain Terracotta Light, and I've been featuring their products, and this is so far my favorite powder from Guerlain. And this is like a blush bronzer. It's got beautiful mixed shades, and I can just apply it to contour the face, add some dimension. This gives me like a natural glow. Love this product, and it smells very floral. I like the smell, and very soft. It goes so smooth on the skin. Love everything about Guerlain Terracotta collection. So for the eyeshadow today, I'm gonna try this Bare Mineralistic Burnished eyeshadow palette. It's got 6 rich and pigmented color. You see some earthy tone here, and you see some warm and rosy tone here. And I'm gonna go into with the matte rosy color for the base, and then add shimmering colors for some warm tone, but still like pretty earthy, pretty neutral, a little bit warm for the current seasons. And this package is recyclable and it's sustainable. I like the idea behind this brand, and I like the earthy tone, like the pigmented color. You can just apply it with one clean brush. Very easy, very manageable. Love this beautiful eyeshadow palette. So for the eyeliners today, I'm almost want to skip this part, but I still gonna do it, but in a very sleek, very minimal way. And this liquid eyeliner is from theBalm. It's their black liquid eyeliner, and it has a long tip, and this liquid is very manageable. It's not like too liquidy, and the tip is long and soft. I have like good control with this product. You can just easily go into like along the lash line to filling the lash line with the liquid. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna use a lot of mascara because I want like a dolly kind of look. I know my own lashes are short and fine, and I really need a good boost for my lash. So this product here from Essence, I mentioned like a couple times on this channel. It's their Lash Princess collection, but this one is new. It's the False Lash Effect Mascara. So after applying for a couple coats, and I can see my lashes, I can notice my lashes from the camera. So when I blink, I can see some depths, and I'm really happy with the result. Okay, I'm gonna apply blush, but this is also like a very new experience with the tint. This is Play Tint with Benefit. I like this color. This is like rosy pink, and when you see the applicator, this applicator is like almost like a lipstick applicator, where you just apply some colors onto your cheeks and blend it with your fingers. It's very easy to apply. You can do more, you can do less, you can have fun with it. The last step, I'm gonna finish up with this First Moon Lighting Glow Drops, and this is more like a skincare glowing drops because it has peptides and blackberry extract to keep your skin glowy while it's nourishing the skin. So today I'm going to just do less, just one drop onto the skin and mix it with my other complexion products. As you can see, the tint of glowiness is not like too much, very subtle, very minimal. It fits the whole vibe of this look. Beautiful. Okay, the makeup is done. This is the look. I kind of mixed and matched some new products I got. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Beauty Spy for sponsoring this video and sending these beautiful skincare and cosmetic products. And I enjoyed everything, and I had so much fun discovering viral beauty trends on TikTok with the Beauty Spy. So if you're interested in the Beauty Spy, you want to pick up anything from their website, you can use the link in my description and my code Chris15 for some discount, so don't miss out. If you have any questions, you can use the comment section down below or DM me on Instagram at chrishanxoxo. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!